30 bucks. I'm like, I wish someone was up to make money today. I was getting up to like 5:36 in the morning, and then I dropped all these charts, and I'm like, here you go. So that charts due diligence is my section here in GCP. So request a way over there, and then drop all the knowledge in your room.
Okay.
That's why I just brought stocks from my room to this room, because no one's really either in and out there. It's not as busy, so I came here because it's so much more busy and interaction right now.
Yeah, there's like what, 900 people in this group?
Yeah, and a lot of them are active in each section. There's a long section, there's a short, the option section, the short section, ran by United is really good. So keep an eye on him if you want to short. Good stuff, optics.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah, thanks for the invite to this group, because this one, like you said, they're really active.
Dude, if you look at the names, I don't look at names and I don't know people. Apparently, there's some big ass names here. A lot of them from Atlas too.
Well, this Gray Wolf dude, Gray Wolf's good. Like, he's spot on.
Mm-hmm. Yep. He invited me here because he followed me. I think it was in Trading Lab or Relentless Trader, or not Relentless Trading Company. And a lot of these guys bring me eventually, because only certain people appreciate it, and the guys that do eventually, when they start their own, they invite me. IHI is nice. You're gonna double bottom higher low. You're gonna see a trap falling down. Watch. See, trap falling down. I don't even need my forecasting. But I already know. This is the candle. All I need is 2 seconds.
Yeah, dude, I logged into TradingView today and I saw all the scripts you dropped on me, and I'm like, holy shit, it was a lot.
Yeah. I was working. I was like, you might have go through a rabbit hole. I told you, from being VIP, you're gonna get more scripts than you ever wanted, Trevor.
Dude, I'm still overwhelmed. I've gone through a couple of them, but it's like, holy shit, I can't process it.
I'm at 481 scripts. Remember the last time we were talking, I was at 417, and then when I was at 441, I was like, I'm going to bed, and then I did 441. I hit my 453 mark, and then in the last week, I did 32.
Damn, dude, that's insane.
But ChatGPT makes it so much easier for me, because all I do is I want this parameters out of this idea. But the one I'm working on right now is the Mr. Plot and the IQR data box, because it correlates the change from Q3 to Q1 to give you a correlation of potential ranges. But I'm having a hard time with finalizing it, but I'm still working on it.
Yeah. Now, like I said, I've looked at 4 of your scripts, and I'm seeing 4. I know it probably won't drop that much, but they're showing 4 different scripts are showing 408 on Monday on SPY. So what's up with that?
On what time frame though?
I looked at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily, and they're all showing.
It's gonna show up there. That means it's gonna drop there after it does. Remember what I said? If on a high time frame you have a mid-tier run up or run down, what you're gonna have to expect is in the lower time frame the melt up or the double bottom lower low before the actual higher time frame script impacts.
Okay. Well, I'm seeing a triple top here on SPY. So
the run up we're doing now is gonna get choppy, right? You see the 408, but if we run up here and hit the 416, 417, which is our target range right here, and then drop out of the flag at this point, then can you see the 407 drop? Because what you're doing is that inverse cut from here to here. Well, this is the channel. If this is my target, I know I'll drop somewhere around here. That's my channel, right? So I can persist that channel. I can create this drop here, so I know if I fall anywhere below here, I'm at my curve. You gotta play it like a music cheat sheet. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and the script was showing 408, but then it was showing the bounce back to 430.
437.
Yeah, 437. Well, I think it was a little over.
But I would say we're gonna get this melt up now in April. We're gonna get the May drop, and then the reversal mid-May for the run, and then the drop after that from Fed. That's why wherever we get a reversal from the drop from 11 to 14th, if we reverse on May 21 and 24th, we can run up to June 8, 9/10 before Fed week, and then have that drop till June 17th to 21.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that. I made 230% this morning, so that's pretty sweet.
Good job, bro. Big booty went up. Tops is about to break some falls.
Hey, what are we looking on tops? Because I got on tops at 105.
327.
Okay, that's what I thought.
You're gonna drop down to 110 or 125 before this run.
Well, it already dropped. It already did its drop to 97, and then they halted it, and now it jumped. It jumped back up.
Okay, so if it already did that, then yeah, then you're good. Your reversal is gonna. Nah, you're still staggering. You have a flag. Create a flag until the second.
Okay. If it drops to I'm gonna stay in it. But if it drops to $50, I'll go heavy. But
oh shit, tops, not top. Tops is another one that's dropping right now. It's a bit short for a reversal. If it catches a higher low, if it breaks 72 or 184 to 93 cents. So that's another good, a cheaper one to look forward to.
Okay.
CX8I is about to make some moves, so keep an eye on CX8I. It's about to be major.
All right. I don't have a lot of capital yet. Remember, like May 31st, I'll have a huge chunk of change, but I don't have much capital right now.
But if you're looking at top right now, remember the count system right here. You did the one, then you have a 1 to 6, now drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse on a 7. It's on time. You have a run up, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then drop on a 7. It's on time. You have the one drop, you expect a 1, 2, 3 drop at least. So that means 1.5 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes of drop before a potential reversal on the third or fourth hour.
And what are we looking at? 71?
You did if you break 100 or 92.82 support and go below 88.68, your support is from 75 to 70.82.
Okay, well we broke 91 already, and that was a half hour ago.
Yes, but that's just all you did was you're focusing on the retracement of this box. Remember what happens when I tell you if you're going down 100%, where are you going to retrace
to? Okay, yeah. I'm seeing
remember
it.
I said,
yeah.
Your first bounce is always, you're almost there.
Yeah.
And then
yeah, it's
if
close.
It was 100% box, that's always 80% minimum of the retest. I gotta pick up my daughter. I'll catch you on the flip side in 20 minutes.
All right, yeah, just are you gonna be in here or are you gonna go to a different room?
Here. Hello?
All right, cool.
Yo,
what's up? Crypto's dropping some sauce here, but he's got to go pick up his daughter.
there you go.
I say Crypto's dropping some good sauce here, but he's got to go pick up his daughter. He'll be right back.
Oh, okay. That would have been nice to catch that top.
Yeah, well, we're gonna catch it again. So if you can get in it again, wait till like it's dropping right now. Wait till under 100, and then start scaling in under 100.
Unfortunately, I can't.
I caught it at 105, so I'm still green, but it did drop to 91 there for a second.
Yeah, no BP.
Oh yeah.
So imagine catching that from the bottom.
You what?
I said, just imagine catching that all the way from the bottom.
Oh, dude, $3.50. That's where it was 2 days ago.
Yep. That would have been nasty. Woo.
What is that? 10,000x?
Yeah, where's it at now? Let's see. Oh, that's disgusting. Unbelievable. Yeah. Who the hell bought that?
Yeah, that's well, it's like 8,000x. So if somebody would have been at 350 and sold at 260, that's 8,000%.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't been in the penny stocks, so been doing options mostly.
Yeah, that's all I've been
Never really
doing.
touched them.
Yeah, because the small caps and the penny stocks have been dead for so long.
I think there was let's say like a couple weeks back, there was a couple decent ones, but nothing like, 1,000% running.
Yeah, nothing like COVID shit, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, as you know, the IPO.
Yeah, those IPOs are tough though because like there's
Don't know where it's going.
yeah, and it seems like the majority of them there's just like right it open there's a huge sell off.
Well, so from what I've noticed, typically, whenever price it opens, now this is not always true, but most of the time, you would want to just buy that price because, I would say like 9 out of 10 times it's gonna rocket. But you don't know where it's gonna rocket to and where it's gonna stop. And, there are many factors, and they limit you on how many shares you can buy.
Yeah, well,
Which is unfortunate.
unless you can get like Webull does the IPO offerings, so you can. I think.
Yeah.
Is there a limit on the amount of shares you can buy?
I'm sure they limit you on that too.
Because I thought if you got
I
in
wouldn't be surprised.
pre IPO opening, then you could buy as many shares as you wanted.
Yeah, I think let me read it real quick. I'm pretty sure that they still limit you. So here are a couple right now. So this one. So one of them is coming up on the 26th. One's on the 12th. And this one is on the 5th. Oh, there's a whole thing I mean. Oh, look at this. One's on the 28th. Look at that. One's open.
Yeah, if you're on Webull.
Yeah, I'm looking on it. I don't use Webull as a broker. It's just looking at charts.
Oh, okay. I use it mainly. That's all I use is I use TradingView also.
I mean, I have it on the phone, but I don't have the paid subscription.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be, as good.
Yeah,
Unfortunately.
I pay for everything I can on Webull. I think my total bill is like $20 a month for all the features. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's okay.
But what I like about Webull is if you are into IPOs, they tell you every IPO, like there's an IPO section, and I also get alerts too. I have it set up for alerts for new IPOs.
Yeah, but the only problem is, so I don't know if Webull the same way, but options and shares are obviously different. But with Robinhood, if you do shares, it takes like 2 trading days with the same for Webull. So it's like depositing your broker.
Yeah, if you're doing a cash account, it's 2 days to settle on shares, and then what's cool about options is they settle overnight. I think Robinhood's the same way.
Yeah.
Now I use a margin account, so I don't have to wait.
Dude, when I had, I think I did like 15 trades in didn't get flagged for that PTT or PDT or whatever, yeah, PD or TD. Yeah, and they finally started fighting my account. It's so nice that you can just keep, using money moving over until that cash. But
Yeah, that PDT
I don't
rule
guess,
sucks.
So, but yeah, that, when I first started getting, like day trading, it's such a hindrance. And then you have to wait, 2 days, because I was just doing comms at the time, before I, delved into options. I'm just like, all right, well, this sucks, because you have to sit there and wait, and then by the time, it actually settles in there, you've already missed, all this time that you could have been trading.
Yeah,
That's why I kind of moved over to options. Unless you get plays like, top, then I don't really care. I'll wait the 2 days. But, I'd rather just kind of have it the next day.
oh shit, I might get fucked on these. I might get,
Chinese,
yeah,
don't know.
I might get fucked on these puts I bought. Oh well.
I was always curious to know how they, determine what price. I mean, I know they don't really care about what the price actually is, they care more about percentages, but I guess I kind of just answered my own question there. Right? Like they don't really care what the price is overall.
Price for like, what do you mean? Like an options or?
No, like a common. Like what they how they determine what the price is going to be.
Oh, like an
I'm
IPO?
just curious to know. No, just a regular common share, like,
I think it's based on.
Whatever.
I think it's based on like the type of service, and I mean I think there's a lot of factors involved there, but yeah.
Well, for example, like top, how did they come up with that number? That it just peaked at whatever it was, 269, 270, whatever it was.
It's all in the algo. I don't know how the algo thinks. So
Yeah. Yeah, just be something. Sure, well, that will never be exposed, of course, but. I'd just be curious to know. It'd be kind of fun. That's just funny, kind of reading some of these articles that. It's full of jargon, Well, one of them I was reading about the FRC, it was complete typo that they did. I mean, and it's funny because they mentioned that, oh yeah, we have an editor, looking this over, blah, blah, blah. Well, whoever's editing that garbage is not very good.
yeah, I think they do that shit on purpose sometimes.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Dude, these spam calls is unreal. Relentless. Where are you playing, anything?
Yeah, I'm in top at 105. And we're hoping for 350 by Monday. And then I only bought one share because I ain't gonna go crazy with it. And then I'm also in 410 puts, and I'm gonna swing those.
Oh, Spy.
Yeah, SPY 410 puts. I'm gonna swing those in the next week.
Honestly, I was expecting a fight of lead. Complete opposite of what was happening.
Yeah, it just like freaking ran up the last 20 minutes in the close there.
No, I'm talking about just in general. For the week. How he's gonna, and then just gotta run on. Well, we were gonna see the 300s. Just not. Well, high 300s.
Yeah, I think we could drop back to 374, 380. Then I think we'll bounce from there again.
I'd say he's miracle or something. See what that's wrong, doing anything. Yeah. Some pretty luminous after they're really not doing much spikes. I mean, any spike chase is really hurt.
On what?
Oh, I was just looking at the Weeble top gainers for after hours. Pretty lame.
Yeah, well, it's Friday.
Yeah, I mean, in general, it's just been kind of.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah. For the last year and a half, after hours has just kind of been lame.
mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna start picking up here, probably this fall or maybe next winter.
Yeah, I mean, it's just mostly like the pharmaceuticals that they want too.
Yeah.
It's companies that you never even heard of. I mean, a lot of that stuff I've never even heard of, but it's just like, what the heck is this? This is just. I mean, look at that, Bed Bath & Beyond. That's funny because people keep thinking that this thing is gonna go up. It's gonna go up somewhere. I guess, this must, I wonder if they're gonna have somebody buy them out. No,
All of what?
I know they're all closing. But I'd be curious to know what they're gonna do. I mean, it's a nice store. You ever been there?
Which one? Bed Bath & Beyond?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. I'm actually shocked that it's going out of business. Like.
Yeah, the one by me closed down a couple months ago. They had this big dumpster out there in front, and just toss some shit away. Pretty sad because there's some cool stuff in there, but
I mean, I always thought it was a good store. You know, I had a good variety of everything for your whole house.
Yeah. Well, even like some of the food products that they had too were good. You know, like candy and for like during the holiday, they had some cool stuff.
I mean, heck, that's where I got all my bed sheets and my bedding and my utensils, my cookware, everything.
Yeah, they sold like these big giant K-cups, you know, for the coffee for pretty
Yeah.
right?
Heck, that's where I got my Keurig from, was Bed Bath and Beyond.
Sad times. And I got all this dumb thing shit going on. And luckily I was able to capitalize on the WAL when it was popping.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I missed that.
That was, what are we in now? April. Like, I don't know when that happened. Like a month or two. 2 months, maybe? I have to look at the date. But it's really sad how they, you know, instill all this fear in people, you know, with all this collapse. Like, oh yeah, this is. So they said that, you know, there was a banking crisis, and now all of a sudden, you know, or yeah, they said that, and then they said it was resolved or whatever, and now all of a sudden now it's just, you know, out of control.
Yeah.
So there's definitely gonna have to be a buyout. You know, JPM did a.
Yeah, I think
they
they're
did 30
I think they're doing that Monday, aren't they?
buyout.
Yeah, they're doing the buyout Monday, right?
I have no idea. Hopefully they shoot it up pretty high. I mean, how much did it used to be FRC? Was it like one? Let's see what the normal time is.
It was way up. It was like 180.
So the peak. Says 171.9.
Oh, okay. I
I
was
don't
close.
believe that. Let me see.
It spiked because there was a spike in there. I think it went to 180.
Let me zoom all the way up. Oh, here we go. If you go way back, this was at like 220.84.
Yeah, that seems better. And it only did that for like a day though. So
Yeah, so it must have had a buyout. So let's see when did that happen. That was 11/17. And that happened. And then it just started kind of water falling down. I mean, that sucks, whoever had the, you know, stocks up that high, or the pricing. I mean, the chart looked perfect too, it was just idling at $16 range, and then all of a sudden, wow.
yeah, I feel bad for people that get in really high and then end up bag holding that shit. Yeah, I've been a bag holder before and it just freaking sucks.
Yeah, I'm holding right now, unfortunately. But, if the buyout happens, then, should be okay. I mean,
Yeah.
CS got drained pretty good. Credit Suisse or whatever. I wonder who bought them. But whoever did got that real cheap. Let's see here. Yeah, see, it's funny because you look at the holders, shareholders, the institution doesn't even, they barely own it. That's a very odd. Just the monthly on this piece. So 82 cents.
On tops?
No, CS.
Oh, okay.
See what the all-time high was. $14, that's it? This thing was only worth $14.
Oh, damn. Well, and are you in on it? What's your average?
No,
Oh, okay.
I'm on, FRC. Minute, oh, wait a minute. That's charts. Actually, so sitting right on the EMA 9. Yeah, where's Galaxy Star? Anyway, or what?